Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my class. Today we will discuss about some key terms list about urban geography and environment. Here we can see some topic of urban geography, important topic, actually the basic topic of urban geography. Urbanization, centripetal and centrifugal movement, rural-urban migration, gentrification, deurbanization, urban renewal, suburbanization, urban sprawl, global megacity, urban land use location theory, CBD, inner city, brownfield site, greenfield sites, urban stress, urban microclimate, primate city. These important topics are most important for urban geographers. Gradually, we will discuss about this topic. Today, I will discuss about urbanization and centripetal and centrifugal movement, rural-urban migration. When we are talking about urbanization, the first thing comes into our mind, what does urbanization mean? Actually, urbanization is the population shift from rural to urban areas. The corresponding decrease in the proportion of people living in rural areas and the ways in which societies adapt to this change. Actually, the proportion of the world population who live in rural areas have been decreasing as compared to the proportion of the world's population who live in urban areas. Simply talking, the process of increasing population. Urbanization is an increase in the number of people living in towns and cities. The two causes of urbanization are natural population increase and rural to urban migration. Actually, urbanization refers to the population shift from rural areas to urban areas. That's why the urban population is increasing day by day. Want to say that what is the primary reason for urbanization? That is migration. Various push factor and pull factor are responsible to this process. Actually, some push factor, pull factor are responsible for urbanization. If you want to give any example, we can say young people move to town and cities, which also pushed the birth rate. They want to move urban areas due to various purposes, study purposes, job opportunities, etc. Some factors that influence the problem of urbanization: lack of employment opportunities, extreme physical condition, extreme heat, cold, dense vegetation, etc. In this class, I just give some basic idea about urbanization. When we are talking about detailing about urbanization, then we will learn about causes, factors, positive and negative effect of urbanization. Now, centripetal and centrifugal movements, rural-urban migration. What is centrifugal movement? Centrifugal movement are movement of people out from the center of the urban area. If this is CBD, various factors push them from CBD. That is called centrifugal movement. Including this, traffic jam, pollution and environmental hazard, land value facts, decrease of natural light and wind. And what is centripetal forces? Centripetal movements are movement of people in the direction of the center of the urban areas or from the surrounding rural areas into the urban area. Droughts, natural hazards and desertification and high birth rates have all led to increasing the push factors which cause people to move urban areas towards CBD from rural areas. This is called centripetal movement. Access to jobs and steady food and water supply lead to pull factor which draw people into urban environment. This figure you can see here centrifugal forces. People away from the center, CBD, various push factor, traffic jam, pollution, environmental hazard, high land value, etc. push them away for the center. And here centripetal forces. Centripetal forces means people attract to CBD toward the center. Various pull factor like job opportunities, various opportunities, etc. Today we will discuss about urbanization and centripetal and centrifugal forces or movement. Next topic, next class or next part, we will discuss about gentrification, deurbanization, suburbanization, etc. Thank you.